If you are one of those trench warriors trying to flip $10 into 100, 100 into 1000 and 1000 into 10,000, trying to trade Solana meme coins but still failing, you are probably missing out on one key factor that could change the entire game, and that is volume. And in this video guys, I'm going to give you a simple tutorial, a very quick one, where you can decode price action for meme coins trading as low as $100,000 market cap and as high as $10 million and even $100 million market cap by just using volume and finding the best entries as well as the best exits. So if that is the type of content you enjoy guys, then make sure that you drop a like and also hit the subscribe button. And now guys, let's get right into it. So guys, welcome back and thanks for joining in yet again. Right here I have a chart of a meme coin on Solana and the ticker is WW3. But we don't care about the ticker, we don't care about the name. Nothing matters guys. What matters is price action. What matters is volume. So we are going to be trying to decode price action right around here. Alright, so this was launched just a few hours ago. And right here we can see that price started to move up aggressively in the first wave towards the upside. And at that time, we got volume decreasing right around here. All right, so we had the highest volume in the beginning, which is usually the case on most of these altcoins. Then volume started to diminish in this region and we got a high selling volume candle. That is when we got our first retrace towards the downside. But then price consolidated, and right around here in this candle right here is where price started to see volume coming in. So this was the candle right around here. Right, and then if you would have bought in right around here, this was your signal to buy. Then again we got a nice move towards the upside, volume kept on increasing. After that we got another correction towards the downside. Another red candle of high sell volume was seen right around here. All right, then price again started to go back up. We got support of rising volume once more and price made a new high. Another consolidation, another move towards the upside, and then we got stopped out almost at the same price point where we got stopped out earlier on. So this was some sort of a double top. All right, now usually guys, what happens is price goes up and then we see a big move towards the upside where we also have a high volume candle. All right, after that price retraces towards the downside, comes back up again, sometimes all the way back around here to the all-time highs, sometimes even flipping the all-time highs, but then coming back into the range, or sometimes we do not go as high as the all-time highs. But the similarity in all three moves that you see right here is the fact that the volume actually diminishes on the next move up. Once you see volume going down and price trying to break all-time highs but failing to do so, that is usually the signal guys that we have formed some sort of a top. All right, and that is your signal to get out. All right, sometimes price actually goes further up and then also we see price creating higher highs but volume creating lower highs. That is also a signal that we are forming some sort of a local top. All right, now in this case, what should we be doing? If we sell, should we be re-entering? And if we should be re-entering, what should be the price points where we should be getting in yet again? And just when I was telling you, this is live example in front of you. This move happened right now guys. This is on the 5-minute time frame, right? So right here also guys, on this chart we can see that this was your high volume candle towards the upside. All right, volume dropped right here, but we managed to create a higher high. That was again a divergence in volume. When that happened, price actually saw a move towards the downside. We also took these lows between these two highs, and once that happens guys, it is almost certain now that price is going to retrace to the 0.786 Fibonacci level, to say the least. And let me just show you where you can find these levels as well. So from the highs that we got right around here to the lows that were the lows just before the previous high, or you can say between the previous two highs. So right here we can see that this is a high and this is the last highest high right here, and this was the low. We broke the low. Once we broke the low, what we are looking out for is the Fibonacci retracement between this high, the highest high, and the low that was formed between the two previous highs right here. All right, so this is what we are looking out for. Now let's just quickly get back to our Fibonacci tool and drag it all the way to this low right here. So if I drop it right here, then we can see that our 786 Fibonacci level is sitting right around here. So there are very high possibilities at the moment that we are going to be seeing price coming back into this region right around here. in some cases, guys, it is also possible that price bounces off from the 0.618. Alright, which is currently the case. But in most cases, we are going to see price coming back down to the 0.786. Now, when the price does something like this, which is happening right now, that the price is bouncing off from the 0.618 Fibonacci level, you have to focus on the volume. So right now, volume is picking up. If we do get some nice volume in the coming few consecutive candles, then definitely we might just bounce off from the 0.618 Fibonacci level itself. But if we get some high selling volume right here, right now itself, then we are looking for lower prices and potentially coming back into this region. All right, this is one strategy that you can basically implement in the opposite direction as well. So suppose we see something like this. Let's just quickly show you. So let's just say we have a price action like this. Price comes back down and then we see a move back up, and then price comes back down one more time, takes out this low. But in this case as well, if we see buying volume in this region, when this low was formed, was lower than what we get right around here. If we get higher buying volume in this region, when we form another low, which is a lower low indeed, if we get something like this, this is also a potential zone of reversal. And this is basically how you can spot the bottom as well as the top just by using volume. Guys, if a coin does not have enough volume, if a meme coin does not show strength because it does not have enough volume, then you are definitely not looking at the right play. And it is very important that you choose the plays with the highest volume, because these are not just meme coins. These are mindshare plays, attention plays. The play that will have attention for a day or two will pump the hardest. And then when the attention draws out, you are basically also supposed to get out of the play because it is going to go back all the way to zero. So right here you can see we are getting some volume coming in. So potentially this could be a very nice zone of support resistance flip as well. As you can see, this was previously resistance, now confirming as support. But again, what I would want to see to get in, to give me the confirmation that this is going to continue higher, is price should be coming back up and reclaiming the 0.382 as support with volume increasing. All right, if that happens, then definitely we are looking for new all-time highs yet again. But it is very, very important, guys, that you also see your risk to reward, because we might also do something like this where we come back up, close a few candles above the 0.382 and then break below it, and then the next zone of support is sitting right here at 0.786. That is why it is very, very much advised, in my opinion, that guys, you just wait for the 0.786 Fibonacci to come. And usually if you're not using limit orders, then you're not going to be making enough money because you are losing out on good potential entries. You cannot be watching each and every chart. And that is why, guys, I do recommend you that you join either Axiom Pro, which is a really good platform for trading meme coins, and the link is given in the description section below. It is in white only, so make sure that you check it out. This is where you can set up your limit buy orders. You can basically move it around and you can place it wherever you want to buy, and that is going to help you a lot with your entries as well as your take profit targets. All right, apart from that, there's a new one that I've started to use, and it is called 𝗕𝗪𝗪. And this one is different because you can basically select the buy dip option right around here as well as the sell option right around here, in which you have the option to set up a trailing stop loss, which is not seen on any other platform. Apart from that, I also use Bullx, guys, Bullx Neo, which works fine for me. So I will drop the links to all three in the description section below. Make sure that you check them out. If you're not using any of these three, then definitely, guys, start using these, because these are the tools that you really need if you are trying to trade meme coins and also focus on the volume. All right, so again, coming back to this chart, we can very well see, guys, what has happened in this region. We have no volume yet, but price shot up and made a new high. So again, I would want you to wait out for price to come back down on this one, because guys, if you are entering something like this, because you know this looks really good, if you're not a seasoned trader, you might be just getting in on this big green candle that you're seeing on the chart. All right, and that is also the reason why I have changed the candle colors on my chart. I have put it as white and gray instead of red and green. But anyway, right now you can see we have some solid support coming in from volume as well. So if volume continues to rise, this is looking still fine for more upside. So this is what I was talking about when I said that to see the proof of the move from the 0.618 Fibonacci level, we want volume rising up. So volume is going up, which is fine. But if volume cannot surpass this one right around here, then what we are doing is only some sort of liquidity grab in this region and then we come back down. Now again guys, this particular meme coin is related to 𝗕𝗪3, which is currently in trend. All right, and this is a kind of meme that can pump or dump on the basis of news. All right, but if you're looking at other meme coins, the normal ones which not a lot of people are talking about, or which are not in the current affairs category, then definitely guys, these kind of things with volume are definitely going to help you out. Let's check out one more play before I go. So this is black coin, and again, if you see, this is exactly what I was talking about guys. So right here you can see we had a move up and then we came back down, then we made another high but on lower volume. All right, and then price retraced. So where did price come back? So again you can see this was the highest high right here, this was the previous high, and this was the high before that. So this was the level that you need to use as your Fibonacci retracement low, and this is your Fibonacci retracement high. So if I put it right around here, from the high to the low right around here, then you can see price has started to come back and react to these support levels between the 955 and the 786 Fibonacci levels. If this breaks, then we are looking at the previous low, which is right around here. You have to first off understand where you should be putting your highs and your lows, because some people will put a high right here, but guys, this consolidation zone is very small, and that is why I will completely avoid this one. And for me, the highs and the lows on this chart are right here. Right, we have a high here, high here, high here, low, low, high, low, and another high. All right, so the moment you lose this low right here, your Fibonacci retracement tool will shift to the previous low, which is right around here. So the moment you break below these lows at around 0.00009981, you are going to shift it all the way back down to this low right here, and then you are looking for the 0.786 and the 0.886 Fibonacci levels yet again. All right, one more thing that I want to tell you guys, which I haven't told so far even on the previous channel, is using trend-based Fibonacci extensions, which I have recently started to use. All right, so for that, what I'm going to be doing is we have to identify two tops which are almost similar in price. All right, so this looks like a double top, an M formation. All right, so if you see something like this, what you can do is you toggle on your trend-based fib extension tool right here, and then you put it from the previous high to the last low and to the last high is right here, and then you will see your bounce zone is coming between the 1.618 and the 1 Fibonacci level. All right, if price converts the 1.236 into resistance, this is usually a nice signal that we are looking for deeper retracement to the 1.618. And now if I put up my Fibonacci retracement tool from this high right here to the last lows, which were right here, then you can see we will get a major box of confluence, and this confluence box is coming right around here. All right, the 1.618 and the 0.786 Fibonacci level. So this is your liquidity zone for this particular play. Let me just quickly remove all of the Fibonacci tools. So right here you can see this also becomes your support resistance flip, and this is on the basis of Fibonacci tools. All right, but before you go guys, I have something very important to tell you all, and that is a massive rebranding that we have done for all our alpha channels. So let me just quickly show you what we have done and how this is going to benefit each and everyone out there. So guys, right here you can see we have done a massive rebranding from Hybrid Whales, Diligence channel, 100x channel, as well as the premium channel, and now we have one single membership for everybody out there, and that is 𝗕𝗪𝗪𝗕𝗥𝗧 Private. Now if you want to master the bull run, which requires the right tools and the right perspective to win in a very competitive environment, then that is where access to my private channels bring you early alpha 24/7. All right, and these are basically the benefits of getting in. So let me just quickly explain what it means for the previous members who have already joined us and how it would help new members join us seamlessly. So first off guys, you have the monthly membership as well as the yearly membership. Right now there is no lifetime membership now, and also no separate memberships to each and every different channel. We have streamlined everything together, and basically in the monthly option you are going to get access to all my DGen trades, on-chain plays, early meme coin picks, and my DGen portfolio, and also you get daily and hourly updates about Bitcoin based on Elliott waves and possible scenarios, and also access to all my premium trades, leverage trading signals on Bitcoin and altcoins. And also you are going to get the 100x program, which is the complete cheat sheet to my crypto portfolio, buy and sell alerts, and entry and exit zones given right out there. All right. And of course, guys, you are also going to be getting all the tools you need to research, analyze, and trade. This is for the monthly members. If you go for the yearly option, then on top of everything that you get in the monthly, you are also going to be getting Degen Masterclass, which is an exclusive access to video tutorials plus live trading sessions and education. And also you are going to be getting 2 to 3 weekly video updates on Bitcoin and altcoins I'm watching for potential trades, plus my entire Elliott Wave course. And also guys, the most beneficial and something that I have basically put it right here as a bonus, which is going to be for very limited period, and that is one free one-on-one call session with me for up to 1 hour within the first month of subscribing. You get this for absolutely free, no added cost, included in the yearly option. And as you can see guys, this is the introductory offer for the monthly plan. For just $147, you are going to be getting access to Diligence Premium as well as the 100x program, which is by far the best offer that we have done so far in the last 2-3 years, I would say. And you only have to use the code early when you click on this payment link right around here. Just use the code early. All right. And after a few days, the prices will go back to normal, which is going to be still cheaper than what you would have paid for all these channels separately for just $297 a month. All right. And also guys, you're getting a massive discount right now for the yearly plan, which is going to cost $2,997 later on, but right now you're getting it for only $997 guys. Usually guys, the one-on-one call sessions with me are priced at $750 for 1 hour, and you're getting that for absolutely free, and also getting all of this stuff that you can see right here on your screens. All right. And again guys, the promo code is not mentioned for the yearly plan right around here. So if you want to get into the yearly plan at a massive discount, as you can see right here, for just $997 for an entire year, you get everything that we offer, from Degen plays, Memecoin plays, on-chain plays, and the premium channel where you also get my Bitcoin trades, Bitcoin setups, altcoin setups, future leverage trading signals with take profit, stop loss, and everything, and also the 100x program. So you're getting basically everything that we have to offer right around here for just $997 instead of $2,997, and that is for the yearly plan. All right. And all you need to do to join the discounted offer for yearly is join us in the free chat group on Telegram. Make sure that you do so. The link is given in the description section below. Once you do so, you will be getting the promo code for this 70% discount on the yearly plan in the Telegram chat group. All right. So basically guys, that is all from this video as well. If you enjoyed watching the tutorial that I shot basically on Monday, and by far everything exactly played out as I mentioned in the tutorial right around here. If you enjoy this type of content guys, then make sure that you drop a like, and also guys, make sure that you smash that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and ring that bell notification icon so that you can be notified whenever I put up another update. I will see you in the next one guys. Till then, keep hustling.